Lesson 16, Smooth Pronunciation. What we're trying to communicate in this lesson is the concept of alternating between consonants and vowels. And the reason why we want to alternate between consonants and vowels is that it makes for a smoother, easier pronunciation. And we give you a couple of examples here. We have a nut and an acorn. And the reason we are giving you those examples is to demonstrate the difference between the word a and the word an. A consists of a vowel, whereas an consists of a vowel with a consonant. So if the next word starts with a consonant, you're going to use a, and if the next word starts with a vowel, you're going to use an. And again, that gives us an alternation between vowels and consonants, which is easier to pronounce. And this particular lesson is an interactive lesson. I would encourage you to practice these examples on your own, not so that you can learn how to talk about acorns, but because the concept of alternating between consonants and vowels is going to figure into French pronunciation. In a few lessons, we're going to really be exploring this concept much more. So try these examples. If you say a acorn, you're making two vowel sounds in a row. A and then acorn, the A that's in the word a, and then the A that's at the beginning of the word acorn. But if you say an acorn, you have an alternation between vowels and consonants, and it's much more smooth and easy to say, an acorn. That's a very smooth thing to say. Likewise, if you were to say an nut, it's kind of difficult to articulate that clearly, because when you say an, you have to stop the first N and then start a new N sound at the beginning of the word nut. So an nut. You have to really slow it down and re-enunciate the N sound. It's much easier to say a nut. It's easier, smoother, and I would argue that it's easier for a listener to comprehend, to understand if you're speaking it to someone. So the thing to learn in this lesson is we want to have alternations between vowels and consonants. We don't want to have several vowels in a row. We don't want to have several consonants in a row, but we want to alternate between them for clear, smooth, easy pronunciation. And again, this is going to figure in quite heavily into French pronunciation. So take some time to think about this concept and practice with it some.